Yeah, this is very actually interesting information, right? So our digital information, when it travels from one computer to another computer, right? So when it travels from one computer to another computer, one computer may be your computer and my computer, we can call it a user computer. Another computer may be the website host, which we can call server, right? So when it travels, then it passes through many gateways. So it passes through a number of gateways, right? And we never knew that actually. So let us understand how it works. That is amazing thing, right? So
Yeah.
our information is traveling over the internet, and this information may be even relating to credit card. And if one of the computers is compromised, its security is compromised, then it may be hacked by a hacker. And we will actually physically see that in live environment. And these are the steps to know that how information is traveling from one computer to another computer. We can't see how it is intercepted by hacker, but we can definitely see where it can be intercepted by intruder or perpetrator. Now we will actually do this process. I have planned that we practically do this ping and trace route commands, and let me shift the screen so that we can see it. So this is how it works, right? So first of all, what you will do is you will open your computer, and in this computer at the bottom we know that we can type here, right? So type here to search, and what we are searching is we are searching the command prompt. So command command. The moment I typed command here, command prompt has come, right? And I will click either on this side or on this side where command prompt is written to open the command prompt. And this is what is called command prompt, right? Every computer has this. So this takes our instructions and we can do the instructions by typing here. So first command, this step was telling us to do the ping command. I typed ping ping, and I am pinging google.com. Interesting. Now you can see that, right? So when I pinged google.com, it gave me that pinging google.com gives you 172.217.14.206, right? This is the IP address of google.com, and it went through certain gateways from this to this to this to this, and eventually we were able to contact the google.com server in what they called 31 milliseconds, right? So this is a ping command. But then there was one more command, trace route command, and we will use that command also. Trace, TRACE RT, and this is trace route command. And in trace route command, what is happening? I'm just going very slow here. I have to type which website we want to trace. I typed it google.com, so we are tracing google.com, and now it is tracing. Wow, that's important information. Oh, amazing. And it is happening in a sort of live environment. You can do that on your computer. Wow. This is the trace route. This is trace route information, and this trace route information gives us that we started from this first of all hitronhub.home. So this is our I mean this is from where I'm getting internet connection, right? So first of all, this is the first gateway, and then it reached the second gateway, third gateway, and so on and so on. So it passed through all the gateways, and eventually you see that we have reached 172.117.14.206, which is IP address of google.com. So kind of I am sitting here on this first one. If I could hover over here, this one, Hitron hub.home. So this is my internet service provider. And then we have few jumps to various gateways, and eventually we reached that gateway which is storing google.com website. So this is the whole route from my home to google.com and all the gateways in between. And if this one of these is unsecure, right, shaw cable you can see here in between and all that. So if one of these computers is unsecure and anybody can hack it, then our security would be compromised, right? So this is important information. These are two commands which are used to understand how information moves from one computer to another computer. So it is interesting here. Look, so when we saw all those gateways, the information was hopping from one to another, right? So we started from my computer at my home, and we ended up to google.com, and in between whatever computers were coming, they were all shown to us, right? So it was like hopping from one server to another, and then we reached google.com, right? So it happened like this way, right? And then it started from your home or my home, right? So all those IP addresses were given, right? So I mean, nowadays this is not possible that somebody can hack the secure servers of google.com. But the thing is that it is good idea that if information is traveling and information is sensitive, and this information is maybe uh, relating to credit cards, okay, and then it is always a good idea to encrypt the message. So this message which is traveling, it should be encrypted, right? Encrypted means it should be changed into code, right? It should be a coded message, not the plain message. So when message is traveling, it should be a coded message. This is important information that now we need to secure our website, right? So what we have seen is, look, put it this way. Now I am simplifying it. We have set up a website, right? And we have to make sure that our website is safe. And we know how it can be unsafe, because when somebody who is called client computer is trying to reach our website, in between a kind of his computer hops from one gateway to another gateway, and in between somewhere somebody who is a hacker can penetrate and can steal some information, or if not steal, can change the information. And this will be very dangerous for us. That is why now we may need to make sure that our website is secure, right? And there are two indicators of secure website. There are two indicators. First is like this thing, lock symbol, right? So this lock symbol won't appear on each and every website. It will appear only when this site is secure. And second, this HTTP is a protocol. Protocol means a rule which is called hypertext transfer protocol. This one, HTTPS, right? And if there is S word last one, this one, this means this is a secure, right? Now, these two things, if you make sure on your website you have a log and there is HTTPS rather than just HTTP, then your website is secure. It means it is encrypted and it cannot be intercepted by somebody else, right? And now the question arises, okay, I understand when somebody is coming to my website, this guy has to hop from one gateway to another gateway. I understand somebody can steal that information, and I understand that I have to get these two things done. I have to make sure there is a lock symbol on my website. I have to make sure that I use HTTPS protocol with ACE, not just a simple HTTP protocol. But the question arises how I should get it done. And this is what we were reading, right? A third party provider can supply website security certificate. So you have to contact somebody, and the site owner, the website owner, right? When you make a website, you are the owner of the website, you pay a fee for that, right? Annual fee. And one of the companies that do that is GoDaddy. GoDaddy.com. If you go to that website, they provide you those certificates, and those certificates are the ones that you use SSL, that is a secure socket layer, transport layer security they provide you, right? And what it would do, that the data now traveling is encrypted data, right? Suppose there is a client, this client is trying to purchase something from my website. Suppose I am selling it, and this guy has filled in credit card information, and this information is traveling to our website from client to maybe server website, we can call it. And then this information is credit card information, it is sensitive. Now it would be encrypted, and encrypted means it would be coded, right? This credit card information would be coded one, coded, we all know that, right? It is not a plain text, right? And then nobody can intercept it. If at all somebody intercepts it, it is unreadable. They will get some scrambled text which makes no sense, right? Kind of thing.